Extracting the Earth's mineral resources has undoubtedly been one of man's greatest challenges, requiring considerable risk, enormous physical effort, huge capital outlay, and innovation. Not unexpectedly, therefore, expertise has always played an important part in assisting mining operations to overcome the many obstacles encountered on a daily basis, to improve the health and safety of the mining operation itself. Uncontrolled discharge of large volume granular solids by the way of conventional transfer chutes has a history of negatively impacting on safety, the environment, and other related problems. Amongst these problems are the degradation of the conveyed material generating unwanted fines with consequential dust emission, excessive material spillage and blockages, uneven belt loading, high maintenance costs, and plant downtime due to excessive wear and belt damage. The birth of the Weba system has led to a streamlined scientific approach to the dynamics of bulk materials handling at transfer points. Regardless of belt speed, belt width, material size, shape, or throughput, the Weba system eliminates the problems associated with conventional transfer chutes and provides cost-effective and environmentally friendly solutions. The basic principle behind the Weba cascade chute is that the material passing through the chute creates its own liner, thereby reducing wear and tear and sharply reducing maintenance and replacement costs. M&J applies holistically superior technology into all its products. An in-house design company uses a three-dimensional computer system to design the transfer points, the appropriate Weba chute system, the installation, and the manufacturing of the chute. A nesting diagram is computed, and this information is directly linked to the manufacturing plant, where a skilled team of boilermakers fabricate the components and produce a final product so computer assured that no measuring is necessary. Resembling an integrated three-dimensional jigsaw puzzle, these accurately fabricated components are then assembled to create a quality Weba chute. Headed by Werner Baller, the innovator of the Weba chute, research and development is still ongoing at M&J, continuously striving to provide the end user with a cost-effective and reliable solution. Sheer genius is contained in our transfer chute technology. The supertube effect ensures a damage-free landing of solid material onto the expensive rubber conveyor belting. The most important feature of the Weba chute is matching the speed at which the material is being transferred to the speed at which the outgoing belt is moving. At the Richards Bay coal terminal, conveyor capacities had been upgraded to handle more product. This Weba chute is capable of transferring up to 11,000 tons of coal per hour from the upwardly inclined conveyor, delivering to the 2.2-meter wide conveyor, which serves the dockside loadout station. Sited in a tower above the belt, the off-center line Weba chute transfers washed coal in counterflow onto the lower belt, which travels at a speed of 5.5 meters per second. Weba chutes offer substantial cost savings over conventional installations using liner plates in terms of maintenance and greatly increased service life. Capable of dividing and transferring up to 8,000 tons of ore per hour onto stockpiles, The downstream benefits in terms of savings on maintenance, improved transfer conditions and improved throughput has placed this system as a leader in its field. By using the rock box system combined with the super tube principle, it overcomes many of the disadvantages such as unwanted fines generation, excessive wear, noise, spillage and blockages. Absorbing the total skip discharge into the chute before reaching the outgoing belt, the ore is slowed down without reducing the throughput. Wear and tear on the conveyor is dramatically reduced. Central to this is the use of dead boxes in the chute. These are compartments in the chute which trap and retain material. The material composition, the chute discharge angle, and the friction between the retained and flowing material controls the speed at which the ore leaves the chute. The whole principle is to control the volume, speed and direction of the material at every stage of the transfer flow. All Weba transfer chutes receiving a run-of-mine product containing extremely large particle sizes are mounted on a newly developed shock absorption system to further reduce the impact onto idlers and belts, as well as minimizing spillage, wear and tear, and structural damage. We have created a new outlook in transfer technology. If someone plans a new mine or plant, instead of putting the chutes in last, almost as an afterthought, they are now designed in from the start. They are as important as the machinery. The whole process is now high-tech. After its first success with an installation of a Weba chute, M&J Engineering has to date supplied and installed over 120 chutes to De Beers diamond mines in Botswana. The main treatment plant receives the diamond-bearing material from the pits, crushes it down, and removes the larger diamonds. The recrush plant features a process that entails the material being put through roller crushers and being crushed down to a very fine size. From there, the material is washed and moved onto banana screens, which extract the fines. These chutes installed by M&J Engineering feed off the banana screens and onto an outgoing belt, ensuring no spillage without skirting. Dust control is one of the main features in the design of the Weba chute for conveyor transfer points. By correctly positioning dust extraction connections at transfer points, the near elimination of excessive dust is achieved. No dust not only improves the health and safety of personnel, but also improves the immediate environment. With the transfer of material to an outgoing belt, there is no drop, therefore no excessive impact or dust. Dust extraction units can either be completely eliminated or drastically scaled down. The Weba chute simply guides the natural flow of material down to the outgoing belt. It controls volume, angle, and speed to achieve perfect loading. The design makes it possible to start up under full load. The flow reverse chute, as the name implies, reverses the material flow towards the center line of the boom pulley and is then redirected as required to the outgoing belt. By incorporating a belt scraper and a duff chute, duff problems are fairly easily solved. Chute designs may include diverter and dividing arrangements so that the flow can be split proportionately or redirected to various outgoing belts. Dividing options are designed to meet any diversion requirements. Improving the flexibility in chute designs and installations Weba has implemented a variety of chute dividing mechanisms comprising of flopper gates, shut-off gates, clamshell, and adjustable moving systems. These flow-regulating mechanisms can be pneumatically, hydraulically, or mechanically operated. Custom designed for purpose, each Weba chute incorporates a series of ledgers in the rock boxes that retain rock to form a wall clad with the material being transferred. Abrasion of the chute liners is therefore eliminated, with only minimal wear on the retaining ledgers. Amongst the features of the Weba chute is the ability to safely access the belt conveyor through manholes in the transfer chute. The chute can also be equipped with water sprays and blockage detection units. Each Weba chute is custom designed to control the flow of the product at all times, ensuring ultimate transfer characteristics. This Weba chute, with a cascading top section and a lined bottom section, was tailor-made for its application. Transporting wet and highly abrasive material, it becomes necessary to replace the liners within the chute. By being able to wheel a refurbished chute into the place of another within an hour, plant downtime is reduced to a minimum, and maintenance reduction beats all expectations. In most large-scale bulk handling operations involving the transportation of large volumes of granular solids, the critical component which dictates the overall performance of the system is, without doubt, the transfer chute. By incorporating the all-important safety and environmental aspects, additional benefits are attained. Optimum design configuration, inclusion of most effective belt cleaning arrangements, optimum material flow throughput, no spillage, no startup period problems, and reduced dust and noise pollution. The Weba chute system has won numerous awards for excellence in technology. The CMA Award for Excellence, the Technology Top 100, and the coveted Top Product Award in 1996 and 1997. Let M&J Engineering's Weba chute systems and solutions take control of your transfer points.